Hello to my lovely audience. I hope you all are doing great. Before going to the video, I have one quick question for all of you. Guess the area of your house where you can go anytime and get lots of blessings. I am talking about the kitchen. The kitchen is the most important part of a home. There are many things about the kitchen that you think you have figured out. But the truth is that you have not. In this video, I will tell you about some DIY kitchen hacks and tricks to make your life easy in the kitchen. So, let's start the video. Kitchen decor. Everyone needs a clean, beautiful kitchen. If you are the one who has many wooden utensils, you can use the pretty wooden rack hack to decorate your kitchen. Take a square-shaped wooden piece and hang it on the wall. Now, attach the hanging clips to the wooden piece. Use it to hang your utensils. It will help to reduce the mess in the kitchen and also enhances the beauty. Messy fridge. If you are afraid that the packaged food or liquid products will create a mess in the fridge, you can always use this trick. Use the empty food boxes and put them in your fridge and freezer. Now, take your liquid food products and put the bottles inside the empty box package. Your fridge will remain clean. Lining the shelf. The kitchen is the favorite part of the house where everyone comes and goes. But sometimes, it is not only the humans who love the kitchen. Insects are on this list too. They mostly make their homes inside the shelves, drawers, and cabinets. To make your kitchen safe from insects, take the insect killer powder and sprinkle it everywhere. Now, take the small pieces of newspaper or old window shades and put them on the areas where you put the medicine. Cover it properly. You can clean them whenever you want. Perfect pancakes. If you want to make perfectly round pancakes, then I have a trick for you. Take a plastic bottle and cut it in half. Also, make a hole in the cap of the bottle. Put your pancake batter in the bottle and take it to your pan. Make perfectly round and tasty-looking pancakes easily. Stained spoons. If you are the one who washes dishes at home, this hack is for you. For the stubborn stains on your spoons and spatulas, try the DIY hack. Take 2 cups of water in a container. Add in 1 tablespoon of bleach. Put the spoons and spatulas in it. Wait for a day. Take it out from the container and wash it with soap. Too easy to handle. Greasy knife. Everyone gets irritated when their kitchen knives are greasy because of the butter, cheese, and other things like that. To solve this problem, take tissue paper and put your knife in the center. Cover it with tissue paper and hold it tight while cutting. See, your problem is solved as the knife will not be greasy again. Movie night ice cream. I know everybody needs ice cream and not only ice. If you put the ice cream bucket in the freezer for a long time, it will freeze and will take a lot of time to get soft. Take the ice cream bucket and put the lid on it properly. Take a bowl and fill some water in it. Put the ice cream bucket in the water and push the tap. Rinse all sides of the bucket with water. You will get your ice cream in seconds. Toaster hack. Never pick the toasts from the toaster because they can burn your fingers. Take the clothing clip and pick up the slices using it. The plastic will never get hot and your fingers will never burn. Soda can. Do you feel uncomfortable when the straw annoys you while drinking from the soda can? Everyone does. There is a simple trick that you had no idea about. Open the can using the small opener made on the top. Slide it to the front side and put the straw in it. Now, your straw will never move from any position. Shredding trick. Never hurt your hands and fingers while using a shredder. Take the vegetable you want to shred. Put a chopstick in the vegetable. Now, start shredding it from the distance. It will secure your hands. Egg yolk. If you have no idea how to separate an egg yolk from the egg white, this hack is for you. Take a bowl and put a large cooking spoon with small holes on it. Now, break the egg on it. The egg white will go to the bottom bowl, and the yolk will stay on the spoon. The garlic peeling trick. Peeling garlic is very difficult for some women. But it is not for you anymore if you have reached this part of the video. Take the garlic and press it using a plastic plate. Now, in a food container, put the garlic and close the lid. Shake the container box well. The garlic will start to get peel-free. You can clean the remaining pieces of garlic using your fingers easily. Cleaning hacks. Cleaning the greasy and burnt utensils can become very difficult for you. Therefore, I came up with some DIY tricks and hacks that can help you to clean every day without any problem. Number 1. Greased pan. If you have greased pan with oil stuck with it badly, use this kitchen hack to wash it easily. Take some toothpaste and spread it on the pan. You can take any toothpaste you have. Take your Scotch-Brite foam and start to clean the pan. The pan will remove all grease within seconds. Wash it using water and it will come to its original position. Number 2. The burnt ones. Burnt hack 1. The utensils which have burnt food stuck to the bottom are next level hard to clean. No matter how much soap you use, it will never get cleaned properly. But you can use a soda drink for this purpose. Take a bottle of Coca-Cola and put it in the burnt pan. Heat the pan and bring the cola to a boil. Leave it overnight. Rinse with water and clean using the dish soap. It will shine like a new pan. Burnt hack 2. Cleaning a burnt pan is difficult. But you can use natural ingredients to make it shine. Take your burnt pan and sprinkle salt in it. Cut a potato in half. On the lower side, rub the pan with the potato. The salt and the potato minerals will clean up the burnt side of the pan. Take a piece of tissue paper and clean the pan with it. Throw all the burnt particles. Rinse it with water and you are done. Number 3. Lots of dishes. Family dinner ends up with lots of dishes to wash. Sometimes, you need a whole process to make things easy and fast. Use the DIY glove cleaning hack to manage lots of dishes in less time. Cut the sponge into small pieces. Now, take a plastic glove and put the pieces of sponge on it using glue. Once it is dried out, drizzle the dish soap on the glove. Take each plate and clean it using your hand glove. You will feel like a Wonder Woman. Number 4. Kitchen cleaning. There are many areas of the kitchen that can get greasy because of all the cooking and washing of the dirty utensils. It is essential to clean them as well. But you cannot use acidic cleaners because they can be dangerous. However, you can make a cleaner at home yourself. Take a bowl and add vinegar to it. Add in lemon juice of a half lemon. Add the olive oil to the boil and mix everything well. Pour out this liquid mixture into a bottle. Shake every time before use. Take a towel cloth or tissue paper and drizzle some cleaner on it. From dust to greasy parts, you can clean everything. Number 5. Lime scale. If you have lime scale in any of the pans or pots, you can clean them using natural products. Take your cooking utensil and add orange slices to it. Add in the peels of apple. Add water to it. Let it rest for some time. Put the utensil on the stove and heat it till it comes to a boil. Wait for it to cool down. Wash it with dish soap. See, it is easy. I hope you liked the video and, if you did, do not forget to like, comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with another video soon.